Start by locking the needle. Hook 20 braid needles. 3,
6, 9,
12, 15, 18, 19, 20. Hook a locking needle as a standing needle. The penultimate braid needle hooks a short needle inside. This line hooks backwards. Is hook 20 short needles. The first line is hooked. Turn over and hook a locking needle as a standing needle. Here we hook half a needle in the hook. It's the inner stitch away from us. This row is also hooked 20 short needles. Third line. Turn around and hook the locking needle. Continue to hook the short needle in the position of the half needle. Hook 20 short needles. The beginning of the third line is on the left side. Now hook the fourth row. The needle techniques are the same. Then find the end of the thread on our right side. A total of 20 rows of hooks. Hooks done. This hook looks like this. We need to hook the sides together. Insert the crochet hook into the position of the first row. Wrap the yarn and pull out. Pull directly from this loop. That is, hook a drawing needle. Insert at halfway inside. Wind from the first row. Pull out directly. Straight down, pull like this. Total 20 pulls. Last stitch. Pull out. Leave a similar length of thread. We take this segment, top of cactus. Start stitching.
refer,
stitching method in video. Stitch back and forth like a wave. Tighten thread end. There will be a hole here, then stitch another round. Next to the innermost row. Thread like this again. Circle around. Tighten firmly at the end. Tie the two ends together. Secure with multiple knots. Trim off excess ends. Flip it over. Top part already sewn together. Add adequate filling. Fill to desired softness. Avoid overfilling. Use same color yarn. Knot at the bottom. Sew cactus base. Sew close to inner circle. Sew around. Pull tight. Thread from middle, knot. Cut excess yarn. Start hooking. Part of cactus. Let's hook 7 locking pins first. Hook a locking needle as a standing needle. Hook 7 short needles backwards. Same method as the previous cactus. Reverse. On the inner half stitch. Hook short needle. A total of hook a short needle. We'll hook 10 rows altogether. Hook the sides together by pulling and lifting. In this way, a total of 7 needles were drawn. The last needle is removed. Start stitching up the little cactus. Top position. Use the same method as with the large cactus. Progress will be shown here soon. Pull tight. Then tie the 2 ends of the thread. Cut off extra thread ends. Flip the small cactus over. A bit difficult. Use crochet hook. Fill with cotton. Take same color yarn. Tie knot at bottom. Place small cactus. Sew bottom together. Same method as big cactus. Pull tight. Leave end of thread. Use for sewing big cactus. Start making small flowers now. Method of starting with a ring. We hook 4 short needles in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tighten the loop. At the position of the first stitch, pull out. Hook 3-piece needle. Count as the first long needle, and hook a long needle. Hook and pull in the next needle eye. Hook the additional needle of the long needle in the same position. Repeat this 4 times. That is, the addition of long needles that have been hooked 4 times in total. In addition, 4 draw needles were hooked, so there were 12 stitches. At the first stitch, work a purl. Cut the yarn. Combine small flower and small cactus. Stitched together. Enter from the top. Exit from the bottom with holes. Tie a knot at the end of the flower's thread. Tighten a bit. Trim off the excess thread. Prepare to sew large and small cacti together. Find a spot in the middle of the cactus to insert the needle. Then, exit from the bottom of the small cactus. Return back. Cactus. Repeat this action. Fix small cactus on top of big cactus. Tighten. Thread through big cactus. Thread out the other end. Tie a knot. Thread back from this spot. Thread out at the other end. Cactus done.